quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive, from our dynamic programs in finance and business to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts. We cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
From dreams to strategy.
From passion to profession.
What can you be with a marketing degree?
So deep into the future is in our hands. Deep into the future.
We create brands that connect. Be bold, be the brand.
Hashtag market your future. It all starts here
At the Naga College Foundation, BSBA Marketing Management.
Start your quest to success. Be a Tiger today. Enroll now.
At NCF, we're all about that holistic grind. Hands-on training, real-world experience, and affordable education that gets you industry ready. Shoot to edit, detail from concept to screenwriting. From shooting to editing to actual broadcasting, NCF is the first and the only school that has its own operational television and radio stations. No boring stuff, just real skills for the real world. Jika na ba?
Be a tiger today.
The world is our stage, and the Naga College Foundation has a mission to prepare every student for their elite roles in the future. Here, we learn and we grow.
Miss Cadlan 2023 is candidate number 14, Iris Oresca of Naga City. Congratulations!
Once again, you're the Ragang Magayon 2024. Candidate number 18, Iris Oresca. Rain on the summertime.
I am Iris Ignacio Oresca, your Binibining Camarines Norte and Miss Kaogma 2023 and the Ragamagayon 2024. And I am a Tiger Champion. Welcome to the home of the champions.
Welcome to the V Gallery and Museum, NCF's very own cultural hub that houses the humble beginnings of the Naga College Foundation and its founder, Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva. Gallery and Museum is also a platform for promoting and preserving the Bicolano art and empowering Aragon artists. Now, let's leap into the future. This is the NCF CHS Skills Laboratory, the home of Alex, a state-of-the-art AI-powered patient model simulator which revolutionizes practical learning for medical and health services students.